Thank you so much for joining me this morning. It has been for a while that I have been sharing your three words for today. Your three words for today. And the three words I have to share today. And I hope that these three words will bless someone. These three words are carry it forward. Carry it forward. I have great admiration for accountants and persons who work in the field of finance. I have spent 27 years in the field of banking and finance. And I so admire people who work in those fields. One of the major reasons is that these persons are trained to carry things forward. At the end of each year, when they balance their books, they have figures, monies that they have to carry forward in order to balance the books. And it is the same thing in our lives, ladies and gentlemen. We have desires, we have goals, we have dreams. And many times these dreams were not realized in the year that has passed, or even the season. In the spiritual sense, we call it times and seasons. They were not realized in that season or in that year. But you're tempted to leave it behind because many times you might be saying to yourself, do I need to carry this with me for another year? And my word for you today, three words, carry it forward. Carry it forward. If you know that that dream, that desire has been placed in your heart, that goal that you have been working on, and there are some times when the circumstances seem to have been against you, and you were not able to fulfill that goal in the past year or in the past season, I encourage you, carry it forward. Carry it forward and continue to move forward with determination, with that sense of resilience, with building your self-awareness, building your perseverance, because that goal, that desire, that dream, when you decide to carry it forward, it will be fulfilled in its time and in its season. I will close with this. The word said, carry that vision, and though it tarries, wait for it, because it shall surely come. It will speak and not lie. I encourage you to carry it forward. Carry it forward, because it's going to be fulfilled in its own timing and it's in its own season. I'm Dr. Janice, once again, your life strategist, your professional people builder, certified temperament counselor, and coach, helping you to build your life on a firm foundation. You can carry it forward and it will be realized.